Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
I've always dreamed of looking death in the face, but in my final moments, all I hear is my mother's words ringing in my ears. Maybe I have made it.